Today I'm going to show you how to make a PayPal account. So let's get started. For this you have to open your Google Chrome and search for the paypal.com. Hit on the first link and it will show this interface. Now you have to click on this link if you want a personal account or the business one. You have to go to the business side. After clicking on the link, it will open this form. Here you have to fill the details. You have to enter your first name, last name, email address, and then set your password. Now once you're done, you have to click on this checkbox and press the next button. When you press the next button, it will open this interface. Here you have to add your address, city, state, zip code, and your mobile number. Then you have to agree to terms and conditions by checking this checkbox. Now at this interface, you have to link your debit card, credit card, or bank account. I will link my credit card, and after entering my details, I will press the link button. Once I hit on the button, it will open this interface. Here screen check is showing me that my account has been created. Now I'm going to click this go to your account option at the bottom and it will open this interface. So as you can see, my account has been created. So that's how you can create your PayPal account.